The 20th International Botanical Congress took place last July 2024 in Madrid, Spain. Organized by the Spanish Botanical Society and the Royal Botanic Garden from the Spanish National Research Council, the Congress was inaugurated on July 21st with a ceremony attended by nearly 2,000 people.
Dear colleagues and friends, on behalf of the organizing committee, I would like to welcome you and wish you a pleasant and fruitful conference.
Renowned plant taxonomist Professor Sandra Knapp from the Natural History Museum of London delivered the opening lecture, and the event concluded with a delightful Spanish dance performance entitled Celebration, presented by the Iberian Dance Company. The 20th IBC was once again a resounding success, bringing together 3,000 botanists from prestigious research centers around the globe to discuss about current and future challenges in botanical research. Throughout the week, hundreds of botanical experts shared their research, knowledge, and experience on a wide range of topics through plenary lectures, concurrent symposia, posters, exhibits, workshops, and importantly, face-to-face interactions. The vibrant city of Madrid warmly welcomed this event, offering participants the chance to explore its treasures and cultural gems, from beautiful parks and famous museums in the city center to its burgeoning social life. The conference was held at the IFEMA Madrid venue, a huge exhibition center in the northern part of the city. The North Convention Center within IFEMA Madrid has conference facilities that have been supplemented with a specially built large conference room in Hall 10, as well as other rooms along the Avenida to allow 18 concurrent symposium sessions. The 20th IBC featured 29 invited speakers of the highest scientific level in daily keynote, plenary, and public lectures, including Michael J. Donoghue of Yale University, Pedro Jordano of the Doñana Biological Station in Seville, Mutama Moasia of the University of Cape Town, Angela Moles of the University of New South Wales, Sydney, or Isabel San Martin of the Royal Botanic Garden of Madrid. During the week, participants had the opportunity to attend more than 20 workshops covering a wide range of topics. In addition, several satellite meetings were held, including the annual assembly of the Spanish Botanical Society, or the council meeting of the International Association for Plant Taxonomy, among others. In addition to the daily lectures, a total of 267 symposia were presented in 15 different sessions throughout the week. These sessions featured 20-minute talks by researchers on a wide diversity of topics, including topics of global interest such as the impact of climate change in plants, plant evolution of plants and plant-animal interactions, and plants and society. The 20th IBC exemplified diversity, equity, and inclusion on a global scale. The event had a strong presence of women, young researchers, and participants from all over the world, including many developing countries. In addition, the significant participation of young researchers further established the 20th IBC as a true meeting place for researchers to expand botanical knowledge. Approximately 150 of these young botanists participated in the volunteer program, working diligently to ensure the smooth running of the Congress. During the week preceding the Congress, the Nomenclature section also met in Madrid. Nearly 450 proposals were discussed and voted on to update the code with the accepted proposals. The Madrid code resulting from this Nomenclature section will be valid until the next IBC. On Wednesday, the IBC dinner was held at Finca La Alqueria, a charming country house. 500 researchers enjoyed an exquisite example of avant-garde cuisine, featuring local products and a selection of Spanish wines, all while engaging in relaxed conversations with colleagues. The closing ceremony on Saturday the 27th was a celebration of the success of this year's edition. The organizing committee thanked all those who made this event possible, as well as all the participants. During the ceremony, the decisions of the Nomenclature section were approved, and several awards were presented.
Angler Gold Medal goes to Sandy Knapp from the Natural History Museum in London.
Professor Sandra Knapp received the IAPT Engler Medal in Gold, and Professor John McNeil was honored with the first IAPT Vicky Funk Award for Distinguished Service.
There you are, sir. Professor John McNeil, your medal.
In addition, several student oral and poster awards contributed to the 21st IBC were presented, sponsored by the organizing committee, the Royal Botanic Garden, and other institutions. The ceremony concluded with the release of the Madrid Declaration, which includes 10 statements aimed at uniting plant sciences and society to build a green, sustainable Earth. And although IBC 2024 has come to an end,
I declare the 20th International Botanical Congress closed.
the botanical community is already looking forward to the next edition of this wonderful Congress, which will take place in Cape Town, South Africa in 2029.
We are waiting and our hard work starts now.
Dr. James S. Boatwright, president of the organizing committee, presented the bid, highlighting the importance of diversity, with South Africa serving as a clear example of this, both biologically and culturally. So, we just can say, see you all in Cape Town.